In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms with Gemini. We'll move from a blank page to a polished form using AI, and I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Forms and open the official Google Forms website. Once you're on the Forms homepage, choose the blank form option. This opens the editor, and you'll see the Gemini-powered assistant available to help you create a form from a simple prompt. With your blank form ready, locate the prompt area. Think of this prompt as your creative brief to Gemini. Be clear and specific about what you want. For example, you could write, "Create a customer satisfaction survey for an online course." To get even better results, include helpful details such as the target audience, the number of sections, whether you want multiple choice or checkboxes, a Likert scale for satisfaction, and at least one open-ended question for comments. The more context you provide, the closer the draft will be to your needs, and the fewer edits you'll make later. After you've written your prompt, select Create. Gemini will generate a draft form based on your instructions. Take a moment to review it right in the editor. If something feels off, you can refine your prompt and try again, or simply edit the generated text and question types by hand. This is a great time to tighten titles and descriptions, reword any questions for clarity, and adjust scales or options. You can also switch a question from short answer to paragraph, or convert it to multiple choice if that makes more sense. When you're happy with the draft, choose Create Form to apply Gemini's suggestions to your working form. From here, everything is fully editable. Give your form a clear title and a concise description, and check that required questions are marked correctly. If you want, you can tweak the theme and colors so the form matches your brand, and quickly preview it to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. Finally, click Publish. Publishing finalizes the form so it's ready for respondents. Before you share it, do one last pass in the preview, confirm the question flow is intuitive, and make sure any optional questions are labeled as such. If you're collaborating, teammates can jump in to polish wording or add branching logic without starting over. And that's it. You've used Google Forms with Gemini to create a high-quality form in minutes, with AI handling the heavy lifting while you guide the content and structure.